In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make RGB fireworks in Minecraft 26.1.2 Updated 2026 Guide. To get started, make sure you have all of the materials ready. You will need one piece of gunpowder, along with red dye, green dye, and blue dye. These dyes will be used to create the color effect for the firework explosion. You will also need paper later, when it is time to craft the actual firework rocket. Once your items are ready, open your crafting table. This gives you the full crafting grid, which you will use to make the firework components. The first thing you want to craft is the firework star. Place one gunpowder into the crafting grid, then add the red dye, green dye, and blue dye. When these items are combined, they create a multicolored firework star. The firework star is what controls the explosion color of your firework. Because you are using red, green, and blue dyes together, the resulting explosion will show a mix of those colors when launched. In Minecraft, you can place multiple dyes into a single firework star recipe, which is what allows you to create a more colorful and vivid effect. In this case, using all three dyes gives you a bright RGB style burst. After you have crafted the firework star, the next step is to make the firework rocket. Open the crafting grid again if needed, and place one piece of paper into the recipe. Add the firework star you just made. Then include between 1 and 3 pieces of gunpowder. The amount of gunpowder you use affects how high the rocket will fly before it explodes. One piece gives a shorter flight, while more gunpowder increases the flight duration. When the firework rocket appears in the result slot, move it into your inventory. At this point, the crafting process is complete, and your RGB firework is ready to use. To launch it, equip the firework rocket and use it in an open area. Once it goes up and explodes, you will see the red, green, and blue color effect from the firework star. This creates the RGB explosion style shown in this guide. That covers everything you need to know.